Hey team, Ray here for Protel, your friendly video specialist based here in Wellington, and today we've got a bit of a look at the Hollyland Lark M1 Duo. This is quite a cool little mic kit. We've got two microphones which are wireless transmitters, one receiver and a box to charge everything in. Let's dive in and show you what's in the box. So inside the display box, you're greeted with this nice little zippy up case. Keep everything together and nice and safe. And inside the box, you've got the main kit. You've got a cable for connecting to your phone or laptop, a cable for connecting to your camera, some little fluffy wind socks, and a USB-C to USB-A charging cable. We don't have to worry about that stuff at the moment, because what we really want to see is what's in the Hollyland case. So it's a magnetic case, opens nicely, has everything inside it. We've got two wireless mic transmitters and one receiver. Now these things are going to last with the internal battery about 4 hours, but the case itself will charge these devices up to 2 times entirely. As soon as we take these things out of the box, they power up and they pair up. So you've got your receiver, pop that on top of your camera with your jack out, and then your two microphones with built-in, or two transmitters with built-in microphone on top. Now Hollyland have gone to town with the technology in these. The little yellow button you see on top here is an automatic sound cancellation or noise cancellation. These are the way of the future. Now this is the base level offering from Hollyland. These devices, they don't have any kind of external microphone input, but we'll show you at a later stage the next level offering which does. But I reckon these, for use with a GoPro or other smart camera, or maybe even in an office environment like we are now, microphone input, these are going to give you some decent level audio. Alright, so we're filming this today on a GoPro Hero 9. I've attached the receiver to the GoPro, and the audio you should be hearing now is coming from this little microphone here. These are quite cool little mics. So you've got an indicator display on the front here. When it's blue, it's just natural mic settings. But if I touch this little yellow button, the LED goes green, and that indicates that it's now using Hollyland's noise cancellation algorithm. So you might notice that it sounds maybe a little robotic, but of course we're in a pretty controlled environment in here, so maybe it's cancelling out a little bit of that echo room reverb going on. But hopefully it sounds fantastic. As I say, if you're interested in these Hollyland microphones or anything else we've got in stock, only too happy to talk to you, give you a quote, whatever you need. Just give us a buzz or reach out on the website, protel.co.nz.